Alright, we're doing a service on the Kubota BX24. This is a 2007 Kubota. Got all the filters laid out here, so we'll start with the air filter. Napa Gold filter 6449. Down here, we got a fuel filter that's side behind the plastic shroud. 3002 is for the fuel filter. On the other side, down here, we got our oil filter. It's going to be 1365. All these are going to be coming from Napa. Down on the other underside, over here we got the drain plug for your oil. That's going to be a 14 millimeter. Towards the back side, we're going to have the transmission oil filter. That's going to be Napa Gold 400 079. Just a little bit above that, you're going to have another fuel filter. That one's also going to be a 3002. And as for the oil we're using, we got 10W30, but this is going to be for diesel engines. Make sure it's for diesel.